Want to instantly transform your iPhone photos from good to stunning? It's all about the crop. First, locate and tap the Photos app icon on your iPhone. Once the app opens, scroll through your library and find the photo you'd like to crop. Tap on the photo to open it full screen. Now, look at the top right corner of your screen and tap the Edit button. This opens the photo editing tools. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see several icons. Tap the crop icon. It looks like a rectangle with two corners intersecting. A grid will appear over your photo to crop. Simply drag the corners or edges of the grid to define your new frame. Drag inward to remove areas and reposition the image within the frame. See the rotate icon on the bottom left. Tap this if you want to rotate your photo. This is especially helpful for straightening horizons. If you need a specific aspect ratio, tap the aspect ratio icon on the top right. You can choose from presets like square, 169, or others. Once you're satisfied with your crop, tap the Done button in the bottom right corner. Your newly cropped photo is now saved to your library. That's all there is to it. Cropping on your iPhone is a quick and easy way to improve your photo composition and create more impactful images. Now go crop some amazing photos.